If you're looking to take your career to the next level, I'm going to show you my #1 strategy for accelerating your career, all without feeling like you're selling yourself. Stick around. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights on growing your career and hit that bell to be notified when we publish a new video every Tuesday. I used this exact strategy to transform my career, and ultimately it led to my dream job. And now I'm going to share it with you in this video so that you can use it and apply it to your own career. This is a super simple strategy, but it's not easy to execute. It really comes down to content creation. Now, before you skip this video or think, oh, I know all about creating content for my career, hear me out. When I'm talking about content creation, I'm talking about creating valuable content for your audience, which in the case of your career is your industry and your peers. This can really transform your career as it did for me. In my case, I decided to go with a virtual summit and created a virtual summit in the insurance industry space. I wanted to get into innovation, and I put together a virtual summit bringing together 25 plus leading experts across AI, machine learning, blockchain, and the health insurance space. And it transformed my personal brand. It transformed the perception of me as a person working in the industry. And I was able to not only grow my career, but it ultimately ended up with me landing my dream job. Now, you don't have to go out and create a virtual summit. This can really be anything from creating industry reports to regularly posting on social media like LinkedIn and Twitter. The key here is creating something of value. So however which way you want to do that, that's what you should focus on. There are 3 key reasons why this works so well. And the first one is pretty obvious, is that content makes you visible. It is an opportunity for you to showcase your insights, your analysis, your work, all without feeling like you're selling yourself because you are adding value. And that's the key here. You're not creating content for the sake of sharing it and promoting your profile. You're going to go out of your way to create valuable content, which means it's going to take time and it's going to take a lot of effort to put together. But when it comes to sharing it, people are going to be receptive to it and hopefully share it to their network because it's such a good piece of content. Now that can help you promote yourself in a way that doesn't feel like selling because you are adding value to your audience. The second reason this works so well is that it's a really easy way to add value to VIPs in your industry. A lot of people that are leaders in their space have a super busy schedule. They're getting emails and they're generally bombarded by information and requests. You can flip the script by inviting them to interview them, by inviting them onto your platform or onto your piece of content, whether that's creating a blog post, writing an in-depth piece about them and their company, their career, or even interviewing them on a podcast or inviting them on to a virtual summit. This works so well because in this situation, you are not putting yourself forward as the expert. You are putting yourself in your audience's shoes and asking the questions that they would want to ask. You're giving them access to a valuable person in the industry, and you are giving visibility and promotion to the person that's sitting in front of you. You don't have to feel like you're selling yourself because you're not. You're selling the expertise and the insights of the people that you'd be interviewing. The third reason why this is so valuable and helps you promote yourself without selling is that this is something that you can carry with you for the duration of your career so long as you stay consistent with it. This isn't something that is going to chop and change as you move jobs. You're going to be able to take whatever you create, whether it's a podcast, a blog, or a virtual summit, and keep repeating the process for the duration of your career and reap the benefits. People are going to continue to see you putting out content, continue to see you interacting with top industry insiders, and you're going to put yourself in a strong position for any future opportunities. To wrap up, when you accelerate your career through content creation, you don't have to sell yourself because you're putting others ahead of you first. You're bringing in industry insiders, top performers in your space, and sharing their insights with your audience. You're promoting yourself not directly, but through the expertise of others. As someone who's always struggled with the thought of selling because I feel like I'm manipulating somebody into something they don't want, I've since realized that really this is more about leadership and giving people what they want. I love this approach so much because it doesn't put me at the center of attention, which is not something that I want, but I'm able to connect with amazing people in my space and at the same time make them feel great by sharing their message and showcasing their profile and their businesses and the projects that they're working on, and at the same time add value to the audiences that want to engage with them. So if you're looking to accelerate your career, but you don't want to promote yourself, or you feel weird about promoting yourself online, this is the #1 approach for you to take to still grow your career, have powerful impact in your space, and at the same time add a ton of value to the experts in your field and the industry as a whole. If you want to learn how to launch your own content, but you're not sure where to start, click the link in the description below to get access to our guide on what content you should be creating, how to create it, where to publish it, and how to promote it. Click the link in the description below to get the guide. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more insights on growth, and I will see you in the next video.